P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Music that.
And that's it. Now bear in mind I've had a two cups of tea break.
Bonjour. Let's hang on.
What's happened, sir? For God's sake, don't here. Face. Let's get.
We'll put the camera, when we're going to do a 69 now, we'll put the camera here. We'll not record that bit, guys. We'll not record the 69 and bit. We don't want to get Antonio Bandingo off YouTube. But yes, these are from Glenn and Susan.
Father told me never to speak to strangers.
I'm not a stranger. I'm a surgeon. Would you like to have me?
No, thank you. I can't let anyone come to my home.
Why not?
I don't know.
There must be a reason.
I think my father escaped from something in the middle of Europe. Perhaps he's hiding.
Why were those limbs of Satan so angry?
I said I was a Viscount.
Is your father alone?
Right on underground.
You know nothing about that.
Others say there is much good eating underground. Stone king pit head. They kill many animals that way.
We'll have to get up and walk 15 miles between the cars.
You didn't know the long man with a flashlight.
You know what I think I'm going to do?
I like it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get a place.
Gambling, extortion, and eventually narcotics. The arrangement worked because Vario got a cut of everything. Every stolen truck, every loan shark payment. On every gambling operation, a percentage went up to Paulie. And Paulie kicked a percentage up to the Lucchese boss.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.